2 oranges and 5 lemons cost $2.95. So again, we're given some type of word problem here. So let me write this out. So again, it says here, so 2 oranges and 5 lemons. So I'm gonna write that down. 2 oranges and 5 lemons, dude. Two oranges and 5 lemons. 5 lemons, sorry about that, cost $2.95. And then 3 oranges and 2 lemons cost $2.50. How much would 5 oranges and 3 lemons cost? Okay, so we're given these things here. So we're looking at these equations here, and we're trying to solve them. So let me think about this problem here. 2 oranges and 5 lemons cost $2.95. 3 oranges and 2 lemons cost $2.50. So basically what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to create some type of algebraic expression, right? So we have 5 lemons cost 2 oranges and 5 lemons cost $2.95. So we can say, let's say let oranges, or let the cost of oranges equal x, right? Let x equal cost of oranges. Cost of oranges. I'm going to let y equal cost of lemons here. Cost of lemons. So we can say that through our first statement here, 2 oranges and 5 lemons. So therefore we can say 2 oranges, which is 2x, plus 5y, we have 5 lemons, 5y, equals $2.95, right? So it equals $2.95. And then from our second statement, we have 3 oranges, so 3x, plus 2 lemons, which is 2y, equals $2.50, right? So we're given 2 equations, given 1 and 2 equations here. And what we're going to do here is we're going to first, we want to find out how much would 5 oranges and 3 lemons cost. So we're looking at this problem here. So basically, if we want to find this problem, we have to figure out the unit price, or how much does 1 orange cost and how much does 1 lemon cost, and then we can solve for the solution here. So we're given equation 1, equation 2 here. What we're going to do is we're going to we can either two things. We can use substitution or elimination for us to get rid of a variable here. So in this case, I'm going to do substitution. So I'm going to use equation 1, and I'm going to basically I'm going to rearrange the solution to solve for a variable. Let's say I'm going to solve for x in this case. I'm going to rearrange for y. So I have 2x plus 5y here. So I have 2x plus 5y is $2.95. And then what I have here is I'm going to move 2x to the other side. So 5y equals $2.95 minus 2x. And then I'm going to divide everything by 5, right? So y here equals $2.95 minus 2x here all over 5. And this here is going to be the rearranged format for equation 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say sub equation 1 into equation 2. And then in this case, what we're doing here is we're placing everything in terms of x. So everything in terms of the cost of the oranges here. So we're solving for the cost of the oranges first. So I'm going to write here sub into equation 2. So I'm subbing this y equation to equation 2. So I'm going to have 3x plus 2 times whatever this guy is. So 3x times 2, so $2.95 minus 2x all over 5 equals $2.50. And now I have everything in terms of my x, right? So I can just simply expand this and solve for my x value, right? So I have 3x here plus 2 times $2.95 here would give me, let me use my calculator, 2 times 2.95 would give me $5.90. Minus 2 times 2x here is 4x here, all over 5, right? And this would equal $2.50. If I want to get rid of the denominator here, I can multiply our entire equation by 5, right? So I can multiply this side times 5 here, and then this side times 5 here. So in order for me to get that, I get 15x here, plus this cancels out, plus 5.90 minus 4x equals $2 times $2.50 times 5 here give me $12.50 here. And then what I can do now is I can simply collect like terms, right? 15x minus 4x here would give me 11x plus 590 equals 1250. And I can move 590 to the other side, right? So 11x equals whatever 1250 minus 590 is. So 1250 minus 590 would give me a value of $6.60. $6.60. And I can divide both sides by 11, right? So divide by this 11, divide by this by 11, and I would get x here would equal, this here would equal 60 cents, 0.60 cents here. So again, this is the cost of my lemons here. And then what I can do now is find the cost of my, these are the cost of my oranges, because I said x is oranges. I can do the cost of my lemons now. So I can sub this into this equation here, right? So I'm going to rework this and say, let me put here, so I know that y here, therefore y would equal my, let's see, I'm taking this formula. So 2.95 minus 2x all over 5. So I have 2.95 minus 2x all over 5. Yes, I got that correct, yeah. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute this x value into this equation to solve for y. So y equals 2.95 minus 2 times 0.60 all over 5. And this here would be equal y equals, this is kind of messy here. This is 2.60. So I have 2.95 minus, this is $1.20 all over 5. And then I can simply do y equals, so I have 2.95, dropped my calculator, 2.95 minus 1.20 divided by 5, and this would give me a value of 0.35, right? 0.35 here. It's 35 cents. So therefore, my cost of lemons is 35 cents, and the cost of oranges are 60 cents. And then the question was asking, finally, I can solve for my question now. The question's asking us, how much would 5 oranges and lemons cost, right? So again, 5 oranges would be 5 times x, plus 3 lemons, which is 3 times y, equals some value. How much would it cost, right? So I know that 5 here now, x, we solve for this x value. This is equal 60 cents. This is 0.60 plus 3 times y here is 0.35 equals some number. And then 5 times 0.60 is $3 here. $3 plus 3 times 0.35. Believe it's $1.05, and this would equal here $4.05 here. So this here is my solution to the problem. And this here is I don't think they actually wrote the solution to the problem. So the solution here is actually incomplete because they only gave me the cost of the orange and the lemon, and they didn't give me how much would 5 oranges and 3 lemons cost. So, but this one's correct. But they showed the exact same amount of work for this 0.60 here, which is x, and y is 0.35 here. So their work here is correct, but their solution is just incomplete. So I'm going to say here, solution is incomplete. And needed to find the cost of 5 oranges and 3 lemons. Here, right? Yes, 5 oranges and 3 lemons. So, therefore, at 5 times 0.60 plus 3 times 0.35, and this would equal $3 plus $1.05, which would equal $4.05. The total cost of 5 oranges and 3 lemons is $4.05. So this solution, I'm gonna say it's incorrect just because they didn't complete the solution, but all their steps here were correct because they matched the same thing as I did here.